Hi, I'm going to show you how to host and access our web application using AWS cloud environment. So first log into the Amazon Web Services. This is my console. Here EC2 means Elastic Compute Cloud, one of the service provided by the Amazon. So I have one instance in running state. This is my Ubuntu instance, and this is the description of the instance with the instance ID, type, and the status. And this is the public IP and the public DNS. We can use any one of these two to access our web application which is hosted in this instance. So let's take this control of this instance from my base machine Mac. So this is my present working directory. Let's SSH to the instance. Here Ubuntu is my user in the instance because Amazon is not providing any root access for security reasons. So let's take the control. So now I logged into the Ubuntu instance. This is the status of the Ubuntu instance, how many packages are updated and what is the usage of memory, everything. So let's check the environment that I have in this Ubuntu instance that I configured like LAMP services, Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. This is the PHP version. This is the MySQL and this is the Ubuntu instance version 14.40 with the lifetime support. So under the Apache version, this is the web server. Sorry. Let's check the web server configuration file. This is the web server configuration file. So here document root means where we can find the web application files which we are created. So let's move to the directory document root. So these are the project files index.php style dbconfig. So restart the web server once to access the web application from the search engine. So let's restart once. Sudo, because I don't have any root privileges, that's why I was using sudo. So it was restarted. Let's check the status. It was in running. So now we can access by using the public IP. So this is my web application that was hosted in the remote virtual instance. So now I can do any operations like adding data, removing, updating. Let's log into the MySQL server to check the database. First check the status. It is also in running state. So let's log into the MySQL server. Check the database that I have. New switch to the new database. Check the tables. I don't have any data in this table, users table particular. So let's add the data so we can change the reflections here in the instance whether the data is added or not. So now we can do the operations edit and delete. Here check the DB. You can see the changes are made effect here in the DB. We can delete also. We can edit anything. First let's delete one. Check the DB. So you can see the empty set here. In a nutshell, here we are using Amazon Cloud services like Platform as a Service, Ubuntu, and Software as a Service, Apache MySQL, PHP to host our web application and access over the internet.